Good morning, all divine souls. I welcome you on the Divine Channel Twin Flame Soul Mission. So today's topic is don't and do's in Twin Flame journey. So today I want to inform you that what we should not to do in your journey. You number one, don't tell to anyone about your twin, either your family, friends, or your twin. Don't tell to anyone because some other demons who are living on another planet, they can read your mind and they can read your twin mind also, and they can send their negative thoughts to your mind and to your twin mind. They can effect on your journey, and if you share your twin journey information, twin flame experience to other person who are not awakened, so they can make joke on your journey and they can disrespect of your divine. So don't do this, and because it will be create only negativity. So don't do work which thought will create any negativity in your journey. So say this journey is very secret, so keep it secret. And if you feel some stuck or some you need some information, then you can ask with your soul family like our channel who are there for helping you. So you can ask to that people, or always they provide their mail ID. If you have any personal question, then you can share your information in mail ID. But before it, if you are commenting in, if you are comment on any channel about your twin flame journey, or you are sharing your experience, or you are sharing something thought about your twin which is negative, if you are sharing your positive thought, that is okay, because if you share something positive about your twin with your soul family, not your family members, or no, don't share with your friends, because they can feel jealous or they can create negativity for your journey. So please be safe, because they are not aware, they are dealing with lower energies. So if you share your experience, or you are sharing with about your twin flame journey to the unawakened peoples, they can create negativity, or then other planets demons can read their mind, or they can attack on your family and on your friends also, because they will not I mean to say, only they can send their negative thoughts to your friends, to your family, because then they will create a triggering point with you and they can hurt you. So that's the reason you should keep it secret, and you should focus on your journey only. Don't share negative things about your twin. Just be positive and think positive about your twin, and don't think always about your twin, because in the first month of your separation and first 2-3 months of separation, we always thought lots of things about our twin, and we live in lots of conflict that what we should to do or what we should not to do. So what we should not to do in twin flame journey for your twin and for your safe journey, don't share anything about your twin to your twin friends, to your friends, to your family, to your twin family, or to any person who are not awakened. If you have any question about your twin flame or about your twin, so you can ask with your, you can ask to your soul family. We are here, we are your guides, so you can ask to us, because we know about this journey and we are also in this journey, so we can feel your emotion, we can understand your problem, because we are awakened soul and we have passed these problems. That's why we can help, and we will not create any negative things about you. If demons will attack on us, then we can handle it, because we know how to deal with negative thoughts, and we know about it, that how we can transform it into positivity. So we have this talent, that's why we can handle and we can deal with demons. But what happened with unawakened soul? Unawakened souls don't know about negativity, and they don't know about negative points, and they don't know that is there any demons type people on other planet. So they don't know about spirituality. That's why they create negativity. Don't by themselves, they are forced by demons. That's why. So you can give forgiveness to them if they are triggering you, because this is not their fault. This is the fault of demons. So you are the pure soul. You have to be a pure soul. You are here to be a pure soul, and this is the mox journey, and your true love is only divine. So if you are in this journey and you are sure that I am in this journey, then what thought you have to give to your mind? Your twin flame is only an illusion. You believe that your twin flame is your twin flame, but in this world journey, you have to understand unconditional love. What is unconditional love? You have to be on the stage where we can feel unconditional love. So the journey of unconditional love, we have to think that our twin flame is an illusion created by divine for us to take test for our love. That divine is giving test, that how much love we can give to universe, give to divine, that are we true lover for divine, or just we are showing it. So divine is your true love in this journey, and divine give you a twin flame to checking about your love, to checking about your unconditional love for your divine. What your twin flame do with yourself? Your twin flame do your twin flame do with you whatever you do with your divine. If you are not giving first priority to your divine, then your twin flame will not give you first priority in his life. Till you will not give your divine first priority in your life, till your twin flame also will not give you first priority in his life. So what is, if you have questioned why my twin flame is not giving me first priority in his life, why he is attracting third party and he is giving priority to third party, why? Because of you, because your true love is divine and you are not giving first priority to your divine. What happening when you divine, you are in spirituality, you are doing meditation, but you ignore your divine and you start to pick up your twin flame call. If your twin is calling you and you are doing meditation, then you ignore your meditation because you are connecting with divine. Your divine is true love. So you are doing meditation, your twin is calling you and you attend your twin call and you ignore your divine. So then what happening? Your twin flame go again, because you are not giving first priority to your divine. You are giving first priority to your DM, who is third party in your relationship, in your divine and your relationship. So your divine and your relationship is true relationship. If your twin flame is coming, so think that my twin flame is third party in divine and my love. So your divine and your love is true love, and if your DM is coming, then think that this is third party. How you deal with third party? First priority will give your divine. When your work will done with your divine, then you call your DM. If you are doing meditation, first complete your meditation and first complete your meditation. When your meditation will complete, then say to your divine about your twin that your twin is calling you and I have to pick call. That means you can say your true feelings to your divine. Then your divine will give you permission and you can go with your twin. How we can understand in practical, if you and your twin is in love and your twin flame have expressed your love to you and you also have expressed your love to your twin, both have expressed your love, and now no third party is here, third party have gone. So now you are giving first priority to your twin flame and your twin flame is also giving you first priority to you, because you have given first priority to your divine. You are for your divine. Think it and keep it in your mind, because you are here only for your divine and your divine is your true love. If you ignore your divine, then your twin flame also ignore you. If you are not giving first priority to your divine, then your twin flame also will not give first priority in his life to you. Whatever you will do with your divine, your twin flame also do same with you. Your twin flame is third party in your life, in you, between you and your divine. There is a relationship, true relationship of twin flame is with divine only. If twin flames are not focused on divine, they are focused on his twin. That's mean you are focusing on your third party. That's the reason your twin flame is also focused on third party, because you are focused on your third party, which is your twin flame. Twin flame is a third party in this 3D level. Because your personal and your true home is your divine. Your true home is divine. Your true love is divine. You are here only like a relative. So this is a relative home. Earth is a relative home. Like your